Hello, welcome to Smart Money TV. I want to appreciate all my subscribers for always coming here. And if you are new here, my name is Miracle. My goal on this channel is to show you multiple streams of income on how you can earn money online via cryptocurrency, via affiliate marketing, and online opportunities. So, if any of this content resonates with you, kindly consider to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. And at the end of this video, if you like this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up so that many people out there can also view it and learn from it. So in today's video, I want to show you how you can earn up to 500,000 naira monthly on Bundle app. So many of you could be wondering how possible is that. So Bundle is currently doing some affiliate program whereby if you refer your friends to their app, you'll be able to earn a lot of money. Okay, so without even buying any crypto, you just refer your friends and you earn money. So Bundle is just like a Binance app. It's a crypto exchange whereby you can also buy and sell any coin of your choice. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you not miss any steps on how you can go about it. So without wasting much of your time, I would like to show you my Bundle app on my phone. Okay, as I have said earlier, Bundle is a crypto exchange just like Binance whereby you can buy and sell any coin of your choice. So if you join Bundle affiliates, you'll be able to earn at least up to 500,000 naira monthly by just referring people to Bundle. So it's very easy. So when you invite any of your friends, you earn some commission on this. So this is it. Earn on successful sign up. So if any of your friends sign up with your link, you earn $0.5. So it's very easy, and if they complete their KYC, you earn $1. So if you do this constantly, if you refer many as possible, you will earn a lot of money. So it's not necessary you even tell them to buy any coin. It's not, you are not buying any coin, you are getting all this for free on Bundle app. So once you are, this link will be available in the description button. So just make sure you fill in your full name, your phone number, and your email, and click on subscribe. So before this, make sure you are already a member. So a link is on the description button. I will make sure you register, and after that, after the registration, you can come back to this second link and fill in all these details. So when you click on subscribe, you have automatically be a Bundle affiliate. You have automatically been affiliated to Bundle. So the next thing to do now is to log into my Bundle app and show you how you can verify your accounts. Okay, so this is my Bundle app. So it's not necessary you have any coin or you buy any coin on this platform before you can earn the money. So just click on your profile here, click on this profile, and make sure you verify your account. Right here, I've already verified my own account, and that's what is showing right here, verified, as you can see. Okay, so if you want to verify your account, make sure you click on account upgrade. You can click on account upgrade and make sure you verify both level 1 and level 2. So I've already verified level 1 and I've already verified level 2. So I have verified my account. You can use any valid government ID card. You can use your voter's card or your national ID card. Okay, so that is all about that. And if you want to copy your referral link, just click on refer and earn. When you click on it, you'll be able to copy your referral link. So this is my own referral link. Down here. So just copy it and invite any of your friends and earn money. So it's very simple. Just invite friends and earn money. So it's not they are not paying any money, and you too are not paying any money. So I just want you guys to do this so that you can earn money for free. So this Bundle is very easy to operate. When you have verified your accounts, just click on add cash right here. Click on add cash and select the amount. You can pay with fund with cash link. Click on it and continue. Click on continue, click on continue again, so it will load. Press any amount if you like and press 1000. Click on next. So it's very simple to deposit on this platform. When you click on next, they will merge you with one merchant. Your fund will be lost if you make deposit from your account, the account that does not match. So make sure you deposit with your own account. If you deposit with another account, you may lose your fund. So make sure you deposit with your account. So I have already linked these two accounts. Just click on any of them and they will merge you with any partner that is available. So click on any of this partner, click on any of them and make the payments. So once you make the payments, you will click on I have made the payments. Then you will go back. So within few minutes the person will confirm the payments and release your coin to you. So it's very simple to deposit on this bundle app. And if you deposit, you will see your money here. Look at the amount I deposited last. You see your money here and you see the value in USDT. So you can use it to buy any coin of your choice. So this is how you can earn up to 500,000 naira on this bundle. So make sure you register, verify your accounts, and also invite your friends and tell them to verify their account. You can also teach them how to verify your accounts. Now I want to show you the flyer that I saw online that prompts up this 500,000 naira monthly. So this is the flyer. As you can see, this is the flyer. It is sponsored by Bundle itself. So this is the flyer right here and this is the write-up. So many of you might have crossed across this as well. So it's very real. This is how I came across Bundle flyer about one month ago, and when I followed the process, I was able to earn. They gave me 18,000 Shiba Inu, and this is it in my wallet. Let me click on it and show you. Okay, look at it. Bundle paid you. Look at it right here. Bundle paid you 18,175 Shiba. So there was a particular thing we are asked to do then. So I saw the flyer. Okay, this is it here as well. I saw the flyer like this and I did this, and within few weeks I was credited 18,000 Shiba Inu. It doesn't worth anything, but at least it's part of it. So I just have to keep it there for it to have value. So guys, this is how you can earn money on this bundle app. So if you love this video, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my latest video. So on this note, I will say thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.